Hi and welcome to Down the Shed. In this video we're just going to have a look at a few items that have just turned up yesterday from IC Station. So these will all be featuring in the later videos. That looks like an empty packet. So what have we got? We've got some sort of infrared distance kit. This is partly through hole and partly SMD, so we'll get to play with our microscope on that one. This is a USB to TTL. That's for programming things like the light organ, so I'll be able to plug into these ports and reprogram it one way or another. I hope. I have to learn how to use that. We've got 6 of these little buck boosters, so just a basic little buck booster, and I have currently got one wired up over here. So here we have a 3-volt battery pack, got a switch wired into that, and that's wired into the buck booster. So if I flick the switch, my little extraction fan kicks into life. So I'm running a 12-volt fan. I think it's running at about 14-15 volts off the buck booster via 3 volts. So that's a neat little bit of gadgetry. Stop us all dying from nasty soldering. Well, stop us getting ill from nasty soldering fumes anyway. If it ain't bad enough, we've got COVID to deal with. Here we have a nice little 12 LED USB light. We'll give that one a quick plug in right now. Let's get the big badass power bank out. Oh yeah, so yeah, that's definitely got some light output to it. Yeah, so like that. That was only a few quid. I'll do a separate video. I mean, that one's going to be a really long video, isn't it? We'll do a separate video on each, and I'll put links to the description, which will be affiliated links. This will also be affiliated to IC Station via their homepage. And here we have another multi-purpose USB power supply, or another little buck booster type thing. This one's a bit more evolved in the fact that we have a display screen on it. So that's my little haul from IC Station. I hope you look forward to some short videos on the reviews. You've already seen one of the little buck burst. You've already seen one of the little buck boosters in action. I don't think the other one is a buck booster, it's just a USB power supply. As you can run it down to 2 volts even though it's running 5 in, whereas the buck boosters themselves, you can only run the minimum voltage of the voltage that's going in, i.e. if you put 3 volts in, that's the minimum voltage. If you put 12 volts in, that's the minimum voltage. So you can run 5 volts off 3, but you can't run 3 volts off 5, whereas on the USB one, the more sophisticated one, you can. So yeah, we'll get more in depth into the USB power supply. We'll do a quick vid on the buck boosters, the TTL to USB to TTL. The model kit obviously will be its own video. I might just do a USB light and buck booster in one video, because it's not really worth doing a 30-second video on this, although it is absolutely, quite literally, absolutely blinding. I might get a couple of these actually and use them as backlit lights or something. I reckon these would make quite good. I mean, look at that, that brightens me up a treat. I mean, it really does throw some light over here. Turn the big light off. Right, get ready. You can just see some glow off the LEDs off the webcam. Bang! But yeah, that really throws out some. Let's put that down there. That really bangs out some light. So I'm pretty pleased with that. I might buy a few more of them. Price, etc. will be in the description of the video that comes up with that one. I may edit the description on this one and add the links to all the items. As I said before, all the links to IC Station on my channel are affiliated. I will get a couple of % of any purchases you make. So please feel free to buy as much as you like, and thank you very much for the commission. It will help buy more things like this and other stuff for the channel. Big light back on. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I shall see you probably tomorrow with a few reviews. So thanks for watching, and catch you soon.